us on the broadcast, Dr. D.K. Gupta. Dr. Gupta, good morning to you and happy Vaccine Day. It's good to have you back on NewsX in a day which is at least something to look forward to and celebrate about. I'm assuming all of you guys from our last conversation have already registered, sir, you and your team. When are you hopeful that you'll start getting your first SMSs to line up?
We have all registered to the local authority through the Chief Medical Officer of Noida, and hopefully we will receive vaccine soon, maybe today or maybe on next session. But we are waiting and we will not jump the queue. And whenever we will receive the message from local authority, we are very positive to get vaccine. Even all of my team is very positive to get the vaccine. We are around more than 300 employees in hospital, more than 300 healthcare workers basically. They are all happy. There is no confusion, there is no doubt as it is seen in some public places, on some other places.
Okay, so have you received guidance, sir, for once the vaccine has been received by either you or your staff members? Is there any guidance that is applicable, or they can carry on with normal routine activities? It's not a problem.
They can carry on with the normal routine activities, only that the guidelines has to be followed. That has been issued by Ministry of Health. The SOP has been already issued, and that SOP says that you have to wait for 30 minutes for observing any side effects, like there can be some local side effect or some systemic side effect. Local side effect means there can be redness, pain, swelling at the site of injection, or sometimes ecchymosis or bruise at the injection sites, some little feverish, body ache, headache, malaise, and that normally disappears within 1 or 2 days. If somebody is having little severe side effects, they can take a rest and stay at home, and they can take some paracetamol or some symptomatic drugs, whatever required. Okay. Otherwise, serious side effects.
So the guideline, as far as you know, it's only the 30-minute at the center. Beyond that, it's back to routine. So you guys can get back to work as soon as you get the vaccine. Okay. Yes. I have a caller joining us, but before that, Dr. Gupta, beyond that, because there has been a little bit, I'm just going through the FAQs, and please relate to the best of your knowledge, because I know that some information and guidelines are yet to come out. But for those on the medical fraternity, sir, who already been COVID positive over the course of the past 6-8 months, are there any specific guidelines for them not to get the vaccine right now, or they'll also be part of the list and will getting it in due course?
Everybody has to take vaccine except those who are currently suffering from COVID disease. Those who are currently suffering from the COVID disease, they have to wait at least for 2 weeks. Being asymptomatic means they have to wait till they are asymptomatic, and for after that 2 weeks they have to wait. After
4 weeks is what we've been told. Yes. So 4 weeks. If you're currently coronavirus positive, then 4 weeks, and what the doctor is saying, until you wait basically 2 weeks to become asymptomatic, and then 2 weeks after that to get the vaccine. Mr. Iyer.